Severe weather is expected on both the east and west coast this weekend, and they're already causing headaches for travelers. In the northeast, people from Washington, D.C. to New England are in the path of a nor'easter. This is snow in Erie, Pennsylvania, already contributing to thousands who've lost power. Heavy rain, massive flooding, and hurricane-force winds are also in the forecast. Hundreds of flights have already been canceled. Nearly 3 dozen flights to and from the East Coast have already been canceled at MSP International. And in Southern California, 30,000 residents have been ordered to evacuate. With heavy rains falling, the fear is the area left barren by wildfires may be prone to mudslides.